Oh, fuck. Hello, it's me. Chill. Hi. Oh, this is fun. Yeah, it's, I don't know what to say. I'm feeling a bit awkward. Chill. Chill. Oh my god. So yeah, hello, it's me. It's been a crazy few months for me. I've been crazy busy. But, as you all know, I took a massive break because of the shit I was getting on here. And I posted some, like, waves. But, yeah, I'm thinking about coming back, in the new year. Depending on how this goes. Kill! I'm dropping things. Yeah, so, kill! I'm having some random allergic reaction. I say random, I know what it is. I got some flowers for Christmas, and even though I'm allergic to them, I still accept them because I love them. Kill! Fuck. Yeah, so, I'll probably be uploading this just after Christmas, but for me, it's actually Christmas Day. I nearly said Christmas Eve then, because it's still the early hours of the morning Christmas Day, but I nearly said Christmas Eve. Yeah, so hi. Merry Christmas. Like I say, it's probably going to be after Christmas, but it's okay. Howdy. It's nice to be back on my YouTube properly. Yeah, I hope you all had a lovely Christmas, whatever you did. Or, you know, if you're still doing it, I hope you're still having fun and... Oh my god. Oh my god. And obviously if you don't celebrate Christmas, I hope you're having a lovely day. Yeah. I'm always awkward on these videos because I never know what to say. When people want me to talk, they're always like, they never tell me what to talk about, so I have to work it out. Yeah. I will very, very kindly ask you to check the description of this video to check out all my links, you know. I worked very hard over the Christmas, you know, providing some interesting content on there. I can't say too much because obviously I don't want to get banned on here, but you could probably guess, you know, and you're probably thinking, hey, you show your face on there. I mean, yeah, I do, but like, it's so people don't like, I don't want people in my real life accidentally finding on me on here because, you know, they come on YouTube and stuff. They're very unlikely to find me on my private links, you know. So yeah, it's not the end of the world for me on there. I'm happy to do it on there. So yeah, I'm gonna go take an antihistamine because I feel like I'm dying, and I'm sure I will be back properly in 2022. But yeah, just wanted to wait for an opportunity like this to dip my toe back in on YouTube. Anyway, I've missed you all. Speak soon. Take care. Bye.